Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl, and if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So in today's video, spend a Friday and Saturday with me. So this is me on Friday morning. I woke up very early at 4 and we were out of the house by 5 because I was escorting my family members to town. So here is us on our way. Also, how peaceful are late night drives and early mornings in Nairobi? Like, there's no jams, there's no chaos, just cruising around, enjoying the city's view, and yeah. Ndo hao sisi tumefika Tao. We are heading to Afya Center at the North Rift offices, and I have been traveling with North Rift for the past 10 years, and it's the best shuttle heading to Western. So if you're heading to Western region, North Rift is the go-to shuttle because it takes less time on the road, plus the stopover place is very clean. That's one thing that I love about them. Now heading back home at 6:10. Right now people are a lot in the street. Like Nairobi, do people sleep in Nairobi? Because it's always busy. Even if you come at 4:34, you'll find people in the streets. And let's talk about sunrise. Like, it's such a beautiful scene to watch in the morning, plus the sun's rays were on my face. I was being sun-kissed. Anyway, I arrived, went back to sleep because I was sleepy. So guys, I raukad in the morning, came back home, slept, woke up, just showered. I now want to do my makeup. It's 11:34. I am supposed to be ready in the next 1 hour. Not so sure if I will have that, as in I'll be ready, because I have a couple more things to do. I haven't taken breakfast. I want to see if I can multitask while doing my makeup, and also check out my hairstyle. This hairstyle ilikuwa trending back then when we were kids, pussycat hero, but I'm now an adult. My birthday was just a few days ago, and I have still placed pussycat, but I know I'll meet judgmental people out there and be like, oh, you're an adult pussycat. Yes, I'm still children. I'm still my mother's baby. I'm still my father's baby. So yeah. Plus, one thing I love about my family is they're never judgmental when it comes to such things. I remember the other time I put on blonde. No, it wasn't blonde. It was white to blonde dye. And people were like, oh, someone, not people. Of course, people looked at me awkwardly, but like someone just mentioned it to me. I'm like, oh, where did you come? And I'm like, what do you mean? I'm a kid. I'm still a girl, duh. But anyway, yeah. My family doesn't mind me, putting this and that colors, doing these hairstyles, and that's all that matters. Anyway, let's go into making my face haraka haraka cause time is bad.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading up.
So guys, it's 11:56 and I have taken my sweet time, but like time is rushing, so I've just completed the most hectic part, the part that takes time. So let's complete here. English should put an so person to judge. Yeah, let me just do this fast because multitasking will take time and I don't have time. Yeah.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on and on.
Guys, I am now ready. The intended time for me to get out of here was 12:30. It's 1:14. Not badly off, but like we have to go. I have paired it with these earrings, and because I'm just going for a simple look, and it's a high-end place. So, yeah. Oh, I'm just so excited. Yeah, I have been there before, but if you haven't checked my video on Marquis by Hayawan, kindly do check it out. They have very nice apartments for sale. Yeah, so you can buy it and then you can rent it out, so however you want it. So yeah, and the theme for today for my look is gold. I hope it's not too much because I have pussycat. But I am loving the look. Haven't also taken breakfast, so I want to rush take breakfast and do a lipstick or not, because either way it still looks good if I just add a little bit of lip gloss. But like, yeah, I look good. Yeah, book me for makeup. Guys, it's 1:30, 1:27. Let me take my breakfast real fast, and we'll see you guys on the other side, because time. So I had been invited for a developers showcase at the Marquis by Hayawan. I just learned that the correct pronunciation is the Marquis, not the Marquis. Yeah, and I arrived at 4:30, though the function was to start at 4. Guys, we are at the venue and it's so gorgeous. Look at my background. Huh? Like, it's a very nice fancy place in Kilaleshwa. Yeah, so I've just arrived, and not a lot of people have arrived, so I'm still waiting. And the good thing is that I didn't come that early. It's around 4:40 or almost 5. Yeah, let me enjoy this view. Ah, look at that. Ooh. One unique feature about this property is that it's purely residential, and currently it's around 50 to 60% occupied. So make sure you grab your fancy luxurious apartment before they are all gone. And if you want or you have any more queries about this property, I will leave my number in the description box below. You can let me know. I will surely help you. By the way guys, if you want to see the video of the full tour of these apartments and amenities, I will leave the link in the description box below. So we were busy networking while having some refreshments and snacks, and it was nice since I was meeting people from different companies. Like, it was a nice networking setup. My Leah side was very happy and contented, since if you wanted more, ungeletewa, uletewe. Yeah, but the best part was the networking part. This was around 7:38 and food was still coming, so I was having some shawarma and some honey glazed chicken wings over there. Yeah. This was the next day and I was heading for a team building by Synergy Africa Adventures. We started off by having a heavy breakfast. The breakfast was quite heavy. There were chipolatas, nduma, sweet potatoes, boiled green maize, what else? Queen cake, mandazi. We were spoiled for choices, but I didn't get to eat a lot since I had just taken breakfast 30 minutes earlier. I was showing you guys my nails. I broke them yesterday night and it was quite a heartbreak.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
The team building video will be up on Synergy Africa Adventures YouTube channel, so you can go check it out over there. Otherwise, it was a day filled with lots of fun and getting to know people again. And here is me heading home in my private Uber, yeah, and we got some gifts at the end of the day. This was nice of them, having I think it's a Bible sticker, something of that sort, and a pen. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.